Indirect questions are a form used to be more polite in English. Consider the following situation. You are talking to a man at a meeting that you have never met. However, you know his name and also that this man knows a colleague named Jack. You turn to him and ask, "Where is Jack?" You might find that the man seems a little bothered and says he doesn't know. He isn't very friendly. You wonder why he seems bothered. It's probably because you didn't introduce yourself, didn't say, "Excuse me," and, most importantly, you asked a direct question. Direct questions might be considered rude when speaking to strangers. To be more polite, we often use indirect question forms. Indirect questions serve the same purpose as direct questions but are considered more formal. One of the main reasons for this is that English does not have a formal you form. In other languages, it's possible to use the formal you in order to make sure you are polite. In English, we turn to indirect questions. Information questions are posed using the question words where, what, when, how, why, and which. In order to form an indirect question, use an introductory phrase followed by the question itself in positive sentence structure. Introductory phrase plus question word plus positive sentence. Connect the two phrases with the question word or, if, in the case the question is a yes/no question. That begins without a question word. Examples. Where is Jack? I was wondering if you know where Jack is. When does Alice usually arrive? Do you know when Alice usually arrives? Here are some of the most common phrases used for asking indirect questions. Many of these phrases are questions, for example, do you know when the next train leaves? While others are statements made to indicate a question, for example, I wonder if he will be on time. Do you know? I wonder, was wondering. Can you tell me? Do you happen to know? I have no idea. I'm not sure. I'd like to know. Sometimes we also use these phrases to indicate that we'd like some more information. Do you know when the concert begins? I wonder when he will arrive. Can you tell me how to check out a book? I'm not sure what he considers appropriate. I don't know if he is coming to the party this evening.